Hello, my name is Gabby Funimiai, and I am the Outreach Coordinator with Peninsula College. To get started, we have 3 campus locations, one in Port Townsend, one in Port Angeles, and one in Forks. Our main campus is the Port Angeles location, and although our Port Townsend and Forks branches are smaller, all 3 of our campuses offer student support in advising, student services, tutoring, and financial aid. With our upcoming school year, we have some admission updates. We are offering in-person, hybrid, and online courses this coming fall quarter, and our Get Started admissions appointments are still available via Zoom or phone. And these appointments are for students who are needing assistance with our admissions process, need information on our programs, or have questions about our programs, or general questions about our school. They are able to meet with somebody from our recruitment department, and they are able to assist the students with that. Our financial aid updates, we have a new emergency grant available, and this allows students to obtain up to $1,500 per quarter. This does not go off of a student's FAFSA or WASFA, so students are still encouraged to apply for additional financial aid as well. And for more information on that, you can go to our emergency fund page linked here. And for more funding options for our school, you can go to our Funding for College page as well. We have several in-person and online events happening this fall, and you can visit our events page for more information on those events. But PC offers student-led events, performances, educational talks, cultural fairs, and events throughout the entire year. So keeping an eye on that events page as it updates throughout the year is important. With our student resources, we have our Career Center, which is good for students to develop job search skills, exploring careers, and getting ready to transfer to a college or university. We have our work study program, which offers extra financial assistance for students. And we have our student life programs, specifically our Associated Student Council and our Student Ambassadors programs. With our Associated Student Council, we offer scholarships for our members of that, and our Student Ambassador program offers paid positions for the students as well. With our important deadlines, you can go to our academic calendar for more details on those. We don't have any pertinent ones coming up right now, aside from our fall quarter start date, which is September 27th. Our changes due to COVID, Peninsula will be a fully vaccinated campus this coming fall. And so all students must complete an attestation to clarify their vaccination status. And you can get more information on our COVID policies and information and resources linked below. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions or want to get in contact with anybody, you can reach out to our email at discoverpc@pencol.edu or call our recruitment department at 360-417-6471. Thank you.